Hey guys, Savage Liz here, and today we're gonna be playing Flood Survival. What? I survived too! Oh, I survived that. Ooh, the farm. Everything's so blur on this screen. Okay guys, making it to the farm, and I'm gonna make it on the roof. So, prepare for me to jump, and I made it. So, I don't have my coils and stuff yet, but I will soon. Some people died. The guest only has his whole body except for his legs, lol. That's funny. I hate guests. Guests are noobs. Well, just because they're not like us doesn't mean they're noobs, but how possible? The rain makes flood. Rain always doesn't make a flood. But it's okay. It's okay. That's just how the game is. So the waves will strike in 1 second. We're going to Wasteland again, and yeah. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so we're just gonna have to wait for the waves to come. Oh dear. Sorry, I'm on my bed and it's very waggy here because my pillow's not sturdy. Oh my god, they're all gonna die! Oh! The guest killed himself. Oh, only us did it. Yay! First, did you get to see? Wait, man, the guest still survived? Ah! I hate when ghosts be with us. I hate this. I hate this. The school, I don't like the school because it doesn't look anything like a school for some reason. I don't know why it's like that. I'm gonna go all the way up on this building. It might be protective. I don't know, but it might be. These ladders look very sturdy. Very sturdy. I mean, very, 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 very sturdy enough for everything else. I'm jumping for victory. Jumping, jumping, jumping for victory. Castle! Wow, I love castles. They look so beautiful. Let's go on the steps now. Let's go on the steps. It's so dark. Oh god, I can't control it well. Okay, that's good, that's good. What is wrong with this camera? I hate this. It does that. I need something to put it on. I think I should remove the pillow. Also, my tooth came out, so I hope you don't see my tooth. Okay, this should be level enough. Let me hide my tooth. The tooth fairy didn't come yesterday for some reason. Okay. This. School again? It doesn't look anything like a school. It's just only one simple building. See? This is nothing like a school. Look at the statue. Statues don't go at schools all the time. I gotta climb these ladders now. Oh, what I should be looking at is my phone, not my camera. But I should focus on my camera a little bit. So nothing. She has big legs. Her legs are fat, lol. Oh man, we're doomed. I'm getting on a statue. That was a sesame cover slap in the face. I have 50 points right now, as you can see. We're going on the farm again, and I don't really like the farm because there's only 2 houses and nothing great preparing. You know, it's not great preparing at all. How did he die? Maybe he resetted his own avatar. I'm gonna watch him die for a little bit. She's gonna die. She should have done that. Why did she do that? One is glitching a little bit, and I see that. When does stuff fall down? Everything's falling down from that house. I hope I will be the only survivor, but I can't all the time. This house comes very sturdy sometimes, so yeah. I could be a little bit sturdy if I want to. I don't trust myself all the time. And I have my friend Buzz the Bee. Say hi, Buzz. Buzz. Buzz is very friendly. Honey Nut Cheerios for life. Can that girl move? Yes, I got an arch. They're trying to get up on the arch too, but they don't know what they're thinking. Whoa, one lost their legs and one died. All of them died for... Oh, a survivor up top. I'm the only survivor now. I'm the only survivor. Well, I don't know yet. Maybe somebody else could survive. Yay, I was the only survivor. That's the first. Wow. Fortress. I don't like Fortress. It's the one from the crowd. If you don't, it's going. It looks kind of like a castle or a village of the castle. I mean, they say beauty hurts, but it doesn't really matter. Castles could be any color it wants to be. So yeah, I respect that because I love castles so much, and I don't even care about what the castle look like. So it's okay. Everything's going a little bit out of place right now. And where I'm a spy cap. It's because I'm a spy. And I don't even care. Is the water even moving? No, it's just trolled, I think. I think it's just trolled. I got 8 points. And we're going to camp. Oh, I was trying to aim for the building with my own 2 things. Point of view. Adorbs. Now, we're gonna wait for this level. Can't believe it's like that. This is not a flood. It just look like waves. I hate that building broke down. That was my twin building. And we survived. Also, I take shortcuts sometimes. Arch Park once again. This is gonna be spectacular. Don't you dare knock me off, you stupid children! Well, I'm not children. I'm a kid. I'm 9. I have a life. Yes, I made it on the arch again. Good luck, losers. You don't need all that trouble to get on the arch. You just have to do whatever you want. But it's not like getting on the arch all the time. I don't think the girl's gonna die over there. Like, she just chilling, doing what she wanna do. She doing what she wanna do, and look at her. Ah! This is my first time Hey! My friend Caddy is here. Oh, Arch Park. This is my only chance. Wait a minute, is Caddy even here? Where's Caddy? She was just here and she left. Oh man. Looks like I have to end the video. Well guys, I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that like button for more videos. Bye bye.